Woohoo! My hands are ashy. Let me go put on some lotion. But welcome back to my channel. My name is Affy Elizabeth. If this is your first time on my page, I love doing fashion content that helps women develop a personal style, that promotes their social and also public image. So if you like those type of content, or you just like me as a person, you like my vibe, you like everything about Affy Elizabeth, please make sure you press subscribe and also press the notification bell button to be notified every time I do post a video. In today's video, we are doing a Nike trial haul. I am obsessed with Nike and I love everything Nike. Well, some things Nike, not everything, because when you say everything, that means all the BS that comes with it sometimes. I don't like everything, but I do like the stuff that, you know, sometimes Nike pushes out. So if you know me, if you follow me on Instagram, which I think you should, because that's where the fun times and the fun Affy Elizabeth pops up on your phone, and we do some fun nonchalant. I don't know if I use that word correctly. Follow me on Instagram, okay? And yeah, on Instagram I did mention that I am the type of person that loves shopping for winter and fall items during the fall because of sales. A lot of people ask me, how do you get so much, you know, stuff? How do you have so much clothes? Probably saying it. How do you have so much clothes in your closet? Because I'm a smart shopper. During the fall, summer items goes on sale, so I purchase all my summer items during the fall and winter, and then during the summer and spring and summer, your fall item goes on sale, so I purchase most of my fall items during the spring and summer. So yeah, so today we got some really good things from Nike. These items are actually on sale and I am obsessed with them. Not all of them are fall items. I think the two things that I got were actually fall, and I got one more thing that was actually a summer piece in spring wear, or just warm weather type of vibe. So yeah, if you like my top, I did a try on haul on this beautiful baby right here. This is actually from a store called Akira, and it was my first time purchasing item from Akira, and I did a try on haul from Akira. So if you are curious to see what other stuff that I get from Akira, definitely click the link down below. Just not yet. Wait till this video is over. Okay, so let's hop right into this video, shall we? Alright, so the first thing that I got from Nike is actually this really beautiful, I already wore this, so excuse me if you see some stain on it. I got this really beautiful, I'll place a picture on the screen so you can see, this really beautiful dress, maxi dress with a split on the side. And some people think Nike is just for shoes. Girl! What you been? Nike is more than just shoes, okay? They've been pushing out some very fire items lately, and this dress was one of them. This is a beige dress. It comes in two different colors, and I love this really cream at the top, and then you go at the bottom. It has like a really nice, you know, tan, brown, whatever color you like to call this, at the bottom. So it's like a very nice flowy vibe. And one thing that I am obsessed with is the split, and it also have like this really cool teddy bear on the side. So it's like a fuzzy looking teddy bear, but it's actually a Nike logo made out of a nice little fuzzy, I don't know, fuzzy tank. This dress is a size medium, and I was shook when I tried this on because it really does hug my body really well. And I was afraid that if I bought a large, it was going to be a bit too large. And I was also afraid if I bought a medium, it was going to be a little bit, you know, huggy. But really, it's perfect. A medium is true to size. It's so perfect. And I absolutely love this. How would I style this? I'm glad you asked. I would definitely wear this with some sneakers. That's the #1 go-to for me. And I would definitely also wear this as, you know, a dressy vibe. Just because it's Nike doesn't mean you have to wear it with sneakers. It doesn't mean you have to, you know, make it look Nike fitted. You can definitely, you know, hit it up with some heels, flats, sandals. I love wearing dresses like this with Birkenstocks. And I also love just, you know, dressing them up, dressing it down. Just feminine some days, and then you hit the streets, the next streetwear vibes chic, edgy, however way you like to wear your stuff, this dress would definitely be one of those items that I would recommend you to play with and also carry into the fall and winter and weather. What? Fall, winter weather by wearing it with boots. So yeah, I'm definitely loving this. And during the fall and winter, I would definitely add a nice little blazer, leather blazer to be exact, with this dress right here. And sis, you got a whole look for the fall. Add a nice fedora, girl, you welcome. Okay. And by the way, if you signed up to my email list, I am doing a seasonal wardrobe checklist. If you've been signed up for before, you did receive an overall checklist, wardrobe capsule wardrobe checklist. But this time around, I've decided to actually, split them into season, so it wouldn't be overwhelming for those of you who are getting into, elevating your wardrobe. So yeah, sign up to my email list. You would definitely receive a summer one that I've already sent out. So if you sign up to my email list, you will get that for a summer wardrobe checklist, and then I'm also going to be sending out, the seasonal pieces, fall, winter, summer. You get the vibe. So yeah, do that. Okay, so my next find from Nike was actually one of my should I buy this or should I not? This beautiful leather pants, and I was skeptical at first because I was like, sis, what do we do? The regular price for this was $120, and I think I got it on sale for around like $70-$80. I'm not sure. I would definitely place it on the screen. But yeah, this is actually from Jordan. Jordan does make clothes. This is Jordan Women, and it came in separate pieces, if that makes sense. Like, it comes with a top, which I'm about to show you pretty soon. So yeah, this is a medium as well. I was skeptical when I bought a medium because I was like, well, it fits you, sis. What's going on with you? Are you really going to drop down into a medium, or are you just using it just to say you're going to drop down to a medium and then it just stays around the closet? But yeah, this right here is actually a really nice piece. I was skeptical about purchasing this right here because I wasn't sure if I was going to like it or not. Normally when a model wears something, you're like, I don't like it. I don't like how it looks on her. But when I tried it on me, I absolutely loved how it looked on me. I'm not sure if y'all thought the same, but I really did like how it looked on me. And the good thing about this pants right here is it comes as a two-piece as well. Well, you purchase the set separately, but if you want, you can also purchase the jacket as well. And it comes in two different colors as well. There's one that comes in cream and a little bit of a lime green on the side, like a pastel green. And then they also have it in this color. I wanted it to be in this color because I feel like black, purple, for me, is one of those things that lasts forever in my closet. So it's not like a trendy color. Black is your everyday piece, and something like this for me is timeless in my closet. I am gonna say it does have like a strong smell to it. When it first got out the package, it smelled like freaking, I don't know what to say, like fish is over exaggerating, but it did have like a strong leather scent to it, which I did not like. So if you don't like that type of smell, lay it out outside and let it get the fresh air, and it will come off. So yeah, I got this in a size medium as well. The top was $130. The original price for it was $130, and I think I got it for sale. I got it on sale lower than $130. Okay, so yeah, overall I absolutely love these two pieces. They fit me really nice, especially in the bottom area. If you don't know, I ain't got it like that, but when you wear the correct item, you gonna get it like that. So yeah, the back side is really well. I love how it hugs my thighs. It's a bit long, so if you are shorter than 5'3", because I am 5'3", ever since my doctor told me that, I have been really hurt because I thought I was 5'4". Okay, but 5'3", god dang, I'm short. But yeah, if you are 5'3", this is going to be a little bit longer for you. If you are under 5'3", sis, just go get it tailored. Okay, so yeah, I absolutely love that it actually goes past my feet. because I am one of those people that love wearing heels with leather. So being long for me is not a problem, because I know once that winter hit, that that fall weather hits, heels and boots, okay, it's a vibe for the yeah. So yeah, I absolutely love this. I think it's by far the cutest thing I purchased from Nike, and I can't wait to style this for you. Leather and leather, ladies and gentlemen. My next item from Nike, I absolutely love this right here, is their sweatpants. Nike makes the best sweatpants. I've been trying to get my hands on their wide leg sweatpants, but every season they always run out. But I was able to get my hands on these like mid fitted wide leg sweatpants, and I was skeptical at first, but I'm glad I actually decided to get them, because sis, these are cute. Okay, these are not your original sweatpants that you wear around the house. I feel like these are the type of sweatpants that if you need to go out and you don't want to, you know, look bummy, these are the type of sweatpants that you have to have in your closet. Your casual professional sweatpants, your put together sweatpants, you know, these are it. And yeah, they're not your regular Walmart sweatpants where you wear and you can wear around the house. I'll be damned if I wear this around the house. Nah, no, c'est pas ça, on n'aime pas, pardon, no thank you. But yeah, yeah, these are in a medium. I got them in a size medium, and I am obsessed. Okay, I think I might go and get a different color as well, just in case, you know, I feel like I need more. I might go and get more. I don't know what that was. I might go back and purchase them in different colors as well. They have them in cream, black, and also this color. So yeah, definitely going to go back. If they're still in stock, I'm definitely going to get other colors as well. I love how this fits the body. It's so comfortable. It's so soft to the skin. And I absolutely love the details. And this is one of the sweatpants that I could definitely wear to work and look professional in them. And Nike has been doing a really good job bringing out some really good fits that you can wear to work, and also you can also just, you know, wear to like a casual professional setting. I'm here for it. So yeah, if you love these sweatpants, I would definitely link them in my Like to Know It app. So if you want to purchase them, help your girl out, give me some commission. The links that I provide down below actually gives me commission. The links that I put down below also gives me commission if you do purchase anything that I link in my description box. Okay, I'm helping you, help me, help you, help me, help you. We're working together, you know. So yeah, beautiful, soft, colorful, and very good quality, I must say. My last item for this try on haul, I'm actually wearing right now, and I am obsessed. I'm obsessed with these slides right here. They are the Jordan slides. I OD them. They're already dirty. I wore them the first day when I took them out the box. I went to Walmart with these because I knew I wanted people to see them. Okay, I wanted people to see what athletes are about. I told myself we're no longer screenshotting. We will also buy. But yeah, these slides are so comfortable. I absolutely love them. They're not like your everyday slides, but you can definitely make them your everyday slides. I will highly recommend you to take these out of your closet when you do feel like, let me level up on my slides, because these do get dirty quickly. And I wore them the first day, and I feel like it collected dust from outside, and the color is already a bit dirty. Like right here is a bit dirty. They are washable, so you can definitely wash them if you want. But I would say when you do wash them, hand wash them with a rag, and just, you know, do like you do sneakers. I do have Converse that I do wash in the dryer, in the laundry, you know, but I wouldn't put these in the laundry machine. Don't do that. But yeah, I love how like the inside is very cozy. I don't know if you can see that, but it's super cozy in the inside. And it's just one of those slides that's like that elevates you. Like, to me, it's a vibe. Like, it's a vibe. Like, you can wear these with the skirt. You can wear this with some trousers. You can wear this with some shorts. And sis, you are still cute. Okay, it's not like your everyday, you know, just put in and you go. No, these slides are a vibe. I've been wearing them with everything lately. These are like my my go-to spots for everything now. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new to my channel and you like the vibes already, make sure you press subscribe and also press the notification button to be notified every time I post a video. And if you are a new watcher, a new viewer, if you are a new viewer and you would like to sign up to my email list, go ahead and do that. I will be sure to ship it off. I'll be sure to if you do sign up, I will right away send you the summer wardrobe checklist if you are trying to elevate your wardrobe. So yeah, with that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.